Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as promised, today I'm here to show you guys the rest of the damage I did during the Sephora Spring Savings event that just ended. You guys, I have so much more stuff to show you, and I'm so excited to show you everything because most of the stuff that I hauled in part 1 of this video, by the way, if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it below, and I'll also pop it up on the screen so you guys can watch part 1 as well. But most of that stuff you guys actually saw in my wish list video. So a lot of the things that I have today are things that I ended up picking up after that huge order that I made the first day. And then I also, of course, got sold on a few items by TikTok. Okay, I needed to stop watching TikTok during this sale because so much of this stuff is because of TikTok. But yes, I'm super excited to show you guys everything. I have so many goodies in front of me. I'm just like, can we get through this haul because I'm ready to play with all this new makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into today's video. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not already. And of course, without further ado, if you guys would like to see all the rest of the items I decided to pick up during the Sephora Spring Savings event, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the rest of this stuff is in a Sephora bag. Here is the bag right over here. I'm so excited to get into here. So of course, as per usual, no particular order. I'm just going to go through the bag. So this is actually something that was also on my wish list that I just had thrown in this bag. This is the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Caffeine Concealer and Foundation. This is what the product looks like right over here, and I've been hearing a lot of bad things about this actually. So I actually picked up a shade for me to be able to use it as a foundation, not as a concealer. So I'm hoping to love it. It was on sale, that's why I decided to just go ahead and get it. Here's what it looks like right here. So I did get my foundation shade. Like I said, I don't plan on using this for a concealer, but I don't know, we're gonna have to give it a try. Not many people enjoy this foundation, so I'm curious to see what about it people aren't liking, so we're gonna have to test that out for sure. The next two things that I decided to pick up are from the brand Kaja, and these are their Play Bento Blendable Sculpting Trios. So I actually got two different ones here. So I got Butter Up and I got Cloud Latte. So here's what the packaging looks like right here. These looked so cute, and to be honest, the reason why I got them is because the highlighters in here look gorgeous, and there's a cream bronzer in here, which I thought was so cool because you have everything in this little trio. So here's what it looks like right here. I feel like people are getting back into traveling, so this would definitely be perfect to take with you. So at the top here, you do get a blush. So this is the blush from the Butter Up, which is 01, which is the lightest one. So this is the blush right here. And then you have, of course, the highlighter, which looks like that right there. And then you have the cream bronzer, and this is what the cream bronzer looks like right here. So essentially a super cute trio that's definitely perfect for on the go. So like I said, this is the lightest one, and then I got the one that's like more light to medium skin tones, which I think is actually my favorite, and that one is called Cloud Latte. I'll show you guys what this one looks like as well. So of course, same kind of concept. You have the blush. Here is the color of the blush. Very pretty pink blush. I cannot wait to use this. And you have the highlighter, which looks absolutely beautiful. It is so reflective. And then of course, like I said, you have the cream bronzer. So you have your two powder products, your one cream product. I think this is genius. The next couple of things I decided to pick up are from Too Faced. These are the Too Faced Killer Eyeliners. So I have spoke about these liners before because I'm obsessed with this one right here. This one is in the shade Killer Cashmere. You guys have seen me use this one on my channel quite a few times. And it's actually also the nude liner that I'm wearing in my waterline today. It is so beautiful, so pigmented, so creamy, and it really does stay all day. So I really wanted to try a couple other shades. So I seen these at Sephora and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up because they looked beautiful. So I got the shades Killer Turquoise, Killer Queen, and Killer Camo. And this is what they look like right here. How beautiful, you guys, do these look. Look at these. They look so pretty. I actually love the box. I don't think I'm going to throw out the boxes. They are gorgeous. All right, you guys. So here are swatches of those eyeliners. And honestly, out of all three, you already know that turquoise shade is my favorite. It's so beautiful. I think it is gorgeous. I think my least favorite is the purple in the middle. That one's, it's okay. I definitely want to use it in a makeup look, but that's my least favorite. But the other two are beautiful, and the turquoise is just absolutely stunning. I'm super excited to have those in my collection now. The next thing that I decided to pick up is the Giorgio Armani. This is the Luminous Silk Multi-Purpose Glow Concealer. So what's so funny is that I started to watch TikTok while the Sephora sale was going on, and literally every other day I was placing an order because people were raving about different products that I ended up being so intrigued by, and I wanted to try it as well. So this was definitely one of those products, and I'm very excited to give it a try. I do actually have the Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani that I have not even used yet, okay? It's still in the box in my drawer, so I definitely have to use that. But this looks like just a little mini version of that. So this is what the concealer looks like right here, and I got mine in the shade 4.75, so I'm very excited to give this a try. The next thing that I got is this right here. This is the sheer bronzer from the brand Iconic London, and I got mine in the shade Caramel Glow. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm very, very excited to try it. I have been dying to try the cream blushes from this brand, so I picked up a few of those as well. So for those two, I picked up two shades. So I got the shades Rose Riot and Cheeky Coral, which I feel like Cheeky Coral is the most popular one. It's a beautiful coral shade, but this is what the packaging looks like right here. Like I said, it's the same brand, Iconic London, and the packaging is very similar to the bronzer. It's in the same squeeze tube packaging, and this is what it looks like right here. Super pretty. This one right here is Cheeky Coral, and then I did also get this one right here, which you probably can't even see the shade from this far, but I'll just show you guys from the package. And then this one right here. So they're both like a really pretty pink color, but these are meant to be like a super natural flush, so they're very, very sheer, but I'm excited to give those a try. So since we're on the topic of cream blush, I also did decide to pick up two of the new Hourglass Vanish Blush Sticks. I am so excited for these, you guys. I've seen these everywhere as well, and these actually launched a few days before the sale was ending. I'm so happy I got my hands on them because they sold out, okay? Everyone was trying to get them. So I got two shades. I got the shade Wonder and Sacred. So let me just show you guys what these look like. So they're in the same packaging as the Hourglass. I believe it's called the Vanish Stick Foundation, like the super full coverage one. I love, love, love the packaging, except this one is gold. It's beautiful though. I'm obsessed. So this one right here is the shade Wonder. Here's what that one looks like right there. Super pretty. Has a little bit of peach in it, I think, and I think it's so beautiful. I can't wait to use this. And this one right here is the shade Sacred. So both really beautiful. I'm very excited to give these a try. I've seen a few videos and they look so pigmented, so we will definitely have to try these soon. Next up, you guys, this should not be any surprise because I told you guys I was picking these up during my wish list video. I got a ton of the Sephora collection lash glues. I love these, the clear one specifically. It is a bomb. I got 5 of them during the sale. They're already super affordable, and for the sale, 20% off, I was like, girl, I am stocked for like a year with these, okay? So I picked up a ton of these. They're amazing. If you have not tried the Sephora collection eyelash glue, you need to because it's life-changing. Next, I also picked up the Dior Backstage Face and Body Powder No Powder Face Powder. Yes, it's a perfecting translucent powder. It gives you a natural radiant blur finish, and this is what it looks like right here. So this powder actually threw me off because the shades were so off. Like the light shades look so dark, so I ended up getting 0N, which is probably the lightest shade, and you guys, it's not even really that light. Like, this is supposed to be the lightest shade in the collection. Here's what the color it looks like right here. It does look pretty light, but keep in mind, I'm so pale right now, you guys. I barely have any color to my skin. So I think that this is going to work out perfectly. And it's also not super, super pigmented. So that's the color right there. And I'm just planning to use this just to kind of dust along my face, just so that way my face is pretty much not fully set, but like set enough to where I can apply all my other powders and not ruin the liquids underneath. So I'm excited to give this a try. Next up, I actually should have showed this in part 1 when I showed you guys that I picked up the new Patrick Ta Sculpting Face Contour, like the bronzing contour cream. I also picked up the Patrick Ta Sculpt Contour Brush. Super excited to try this. I wasn't going to pick this up. I actually picked this up after I picked up those two products because it's a very unique brush, and I really just want to see how it's going to apply those products, or actually apply just any cream bronzer that I have in general. It looks really nice and it's actually very dense. This is what the brush looks like right here, so I'm pretty sure you guys can get what I'm saying. It's super unique, the shape. It kind of looks like a very fluffy but dense fan brush. Super cool, so I'm excited to try this out and see how it's actually going to apply my cream bronzers. Next up, I picked up 2 items from the Inky list. So the first thing that I got is just another one of the Oak cleansing balms. I did speak about this. I've spoken about this multiple times on my channel. This thing is bomb, you guys. This melts down your makeup like nothing. It literally breaks down everything. Full coverage foundation, super colorful eyeshadow, natural eyeshadow, waterproof mascara. It breaks down everything. So on the days where I feel extra lazy and I don't want to go in with a makeup wipe, then I will go ahead and just apply this to my skin and really rub it in, break everything down, and then just rinse it off, and then I'll obviously double cleanse with my cleanser. But this is amazing and it's humongous. This lasts you forever and I believe it's only $10. So good. Highly recommend. And then I also wanted to try out their hyaluronic acid. So this is what it looks like right here. It just comes in a little box and then the bottle is just like a little squeeze bottle. So I'm excited to give that a try as well. Because they are just so affordable, I feel like it's not breaking the bank. So if I love it, that would be amazing. The next thing that I picked up is the new One Size Turn Up the Base Foundation Powder. So here's the packaging right here. It has the really beautiful typical pink packaging with the red lettering. And I got mine in the shade Light Neutral. This is Light 3. Super excited for this, you guys, because it looks like it has so much coverage, and I feel like right now what's in is that powder foundation that has the maximum coverage. So I'm excited to see how this is going to compare. I feel like as far as packaging, it really reminds me of the new L'Oreal powder that went viral. I feel like the packaging is very similar, but this one of course is way more expensive than that one. So this is what it looks like right here. We're definitely gonna have to give this a try to see how it looks on the skin, and the shade that I picked up looks like it's gonna match, so that is exciting. Next up, like I told you guys in the first part of this haul, Sephora collection during the sale was 30% off. So I did see this in store and I was like, ooh, this looks intriguing. So this is the Sephora collection Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer. You know that I was sold at high coverage. So this is what it looks like right here. It's just in a squeeze packaging. It reminds me of the Huda Beauty one. So I did pick up 2 shades. I wasn't sure which shade was going to match best. This one right here is 04 Ginger, and this one right here is 05. I don't know which one is going to match, but one looks a little more warm and one just looks a little more neutral, so we'll have to try them both. And then I did pick up 2 products from Supergoop. These 2 products I am also blaming on TikTok. Okay, so the first one that I have here is the Supergoop Glow Stick Sunscreen with SPF 50. I heard that this gives your skin such a beautiful glow. You guys know I'm always here for a glow, especially with my dry skin. So I'm excited to see how this looks underneath makeup and also on its own, because during the summertime, I'm not one to wear too much makeup, to be honest. If I could just throw something like this on to give me a really beautiful healthy glow, I am good to go and out the door. I also did pick this up. This is the Supergoop Glow Oil. This is actually a body oil, and this is what it looks like right here. So I'm really excited to try this as well. It's going to protect your skin, but like I said, give you that really beautiful radiant glow to your body. So I'm excited to try these. Okay, TikTok better not do me wrong. Alright, you guys, so the next thing that I have here is from Glow Recipe. This is the new Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. This is also another thing that I picked up last minute right before the sale was ending. I've seen so many people say that this smells so good. Haven't tried it yet, haven't smelled it yet. I've been holding on to all these products to do this video before I actually open everything up and use it. But I'm really excited for this, you guys, because from reading the ingredients on the back, it looks like it's going to be bomb. And you guys know I love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist. That's like a holy grail for me. So if this smells anything like that, I'm sold. So I did get that as well. I also did pick up some more of the One Size kind of like makeup remover products. So this right here is the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Mine is pretty much done at this point. I have just a tiny bit left, but I love this makeup dissolving spray, you guys. It's actually a very good spray. So I picked up another one. I also did get another pack of the One Size Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes, and these wipes are massive, you guys. one makeup wipe takes off your entire full face of makeup. You do not need to use two because they are huge. And at first I didn't love these, and the only reason why I say that is because they're not as drenched as I would like them to be. Like, I don't want a soaking wet makeup wipe, but like also I feel like these are a little bit more on the dry side. But the combo of this and the spray together is a match made in heaven. So on my lazy days where I don't want to use the cleansing balm and have to wash my face twice, I'll go in with the makeup dissolving spray, spray my face, kind of rub it in to break all the makeup down, and then I'll take one of these wipes and just wipe everything away. And then of course I'll go into the bathroom and wash my face with my cleanser, and my skin feels amazing and all the makeup is off. So that is always a plus. So yeah, I picked up another pack of those. And then also from One Size, I have been loving these. These are the One Size Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. These are bomb. If you need an extra pick-me-up, if you need just some more hydration underneath your eyes, even if you're just doing a face mask but you also want to give some hydration and use an eye patch underneath your eyes, these are bomb. They're super nice, and I love the fact that they're not too slippery and wet. So once you put it underneath your eyes and it sticks to your skin, it does not move at all. I wear mine for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and they're just amazing. It's such a great spa moment. Highly recommend. I'm obsessed with these. Next up, I did pick up the Island of Paradise Self-Tanning Butter. So this is supposed to be, I feel like, a bougier version of like the Jergens cream. Do you guys get me? Like the ones that you just put on and then you make sure you wash your hands, because like your hands will like turn orange the next day if you don't. So this is supposed to be something like a gradual tanner where you apply it each day and, you know, obviously you get the tan. I've heard great things about it. This is also something that I've seen on TikTok, and I've also seen my girl JS Approved talk so highly of this product. And I've been wanting to get into self tanner because I'm so pale, and I also don't take too much sun during the summertime, you guys. I'm just a little chicken. Like, I just don't want to get burned by the sun. So, you know, I want to protect my skin as much as possible. So I felt like self-tanning would be a great option, but I'm so nervous to do it wrong and then be stuck like orange or something, you know? So I feel like this is a great way to start because I can apply it to my skin, and like I said, it's a gradual tan, so I can kind of see the development each day by day. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. I hope it works. I'll let you guys know and keep you updated if it does work, but I've heard great things, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be bomb. And then of course, you guys already know during the sale I had to pick up the jumbo size of the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. This right here is the 32 fluid ounce. She is huge. Okay, when I tell you that I swear by this, it is so bomb. I do want to try the brand ISO Clean, I believe is how you pronounce it. If you guys have tried it, let me know. It's super popular in the UK, and I heard it's amazing and it's better than this one. But yeah, no one wants to pay that UK shipping, so I've still been using this one. It's amazing. It does the job. And I also did pick up another one of their little travel size like spray bottle, just because I like to transfer some of this in here and then obviously spray my tissue, because I only use this for my eye brushes and then I actually deep clean my face brushes. So definitely have to stock up on this. And then the final thing that I picked up during the sale is another beauty blender. So if you guys are just following me now, or you have not been around for too long, or you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'll go ahead and put my Instagram name right here on the screen so you guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm always showing my huge, okay you guys, I'm talking huge collection of sponges. I have so many Wet n Wild sponges, and beauty blenders, obsessed with. I love to collect them. So Beauty Blender just launched this one right here. This is the Beauty Blender Bio Pure Sponge. So it says it's 60% plant-based, and this is what it looks like right here. I thought it was so cute. It's a pretty green color, so I definitely wanted to pick it up to add it to my collection. So she will be going in the drawer with her sisters. And that was basically it. That's all the rest of the stuff that I picked up during the sale. I told you guys I had a lot more stuff to show you. This is all of the stuff. Okay, we did some damage during this sale, but I'm so excited to be able to show you guys all this stuff in action. Down below in the comments, definitely let me know what you guys want to see first. I did already do a video testing majority of the things that I showed you guys in part 1, so I'll go ahead and link that video down below in case you guys are interested. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Sephora haul, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!